Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This offer is titled by Molecular Modelization of New Synthesis Antibiotics. Molecular modeling is focused on applying the fundamental laws of physics and chemistry to the study of molecules. The ultimate aim is to create models and simulations which can help by predicting, rationalizing, and estimating the properties of molecules and their interactions. Quantitative structure-activity relationships as one of the most important areas in chemistry. QSR are a suite of tools used to link chemical activities with molecular structure and composition, and is actively used in drug design. The concept of using QSR to link structure and activity was introduced over 100 years ago and subsequently widely used in medical and biological research. To develop a QSR model, several statistic methods can be used. Drug likeness appears as a promising paradigm to encode the balance among the molecular properties of compound that influences its pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics, and ultimately optimizes their absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion in a human body like a drug. Our work is placed in the context of fundamental or original research on 40-membered macrolides and their derivatives. The main objective of this work is the application of different methods of molecular modeling to predict the chemical reactivity and biological activities expected in a new bioactive molecules study. This is the formula of the erythromycin. This is the formula for the telithromycin. Geometric electronic structure and substituent of effects of 40-membered macrolide to the basis molecule are shown in this table. The band lengths and the valence angles and the torsion angles are studies with different quantum methods. The effects of donor X and acceptor substituents on the basis molecule are present in these tables. This figure presents the HOMO and the LIMO called on the basis molecular study of structure activity relationships for 40-membered macrolide and ketolides. We have studied 7 physical and chemical properties of series of 50 macrolides derivatives. We chose a series of 40-membered macrolide derivatives and also the ketolide. Some of them have a biological activity anti-tuberculosis. The study compounds doesn't obey the Lipinski rule, suggesting that these compounds would have problems with oral bioavailability. Drug likeness parameters and lipophilicity index of 40-membered macrolide derivatives are explained in the following. The QSR model is used to predict inhibitor activity of the molecular derivatives investigated and close agreement between experimental and predicted value was obtained. Finally, thank you for good following up.